Well, hello everybody, welcome to Robert's train set. I don't usually talk over my credits, do I? But there we are. It's a nice day today, and as I haven't done a video because it's taken a bit longer to do, I thought I'd have a go at this. How difficult can it be? So, all the track I had over from doing the work up in the loft, I put out on my patio. And as you can see, it's not very level, and it's not very flat. And it caused a few problems. So just have a look at this. Oh, there's a four-legged animal came through here. Hello. Hope you eat them. I don't know what it is with trains, but pussycat seems to be quite drawn to them. But this one thought it might be quite nice, but you'll see. Whoop. Oh dear. So scare your cats away with the Hatton 66 the sound on. So after trying the loco by itself, which seemed to go alright, did it a bit with the camera car, which you'll see at the end, which was a bit of a problem. And I wanted to pull this long freight.
I kicked
watch how that goes.
And it immediately stopped it. I didn't think it would, but I thought the power's going in there. So.
And I had my neighbour in, was interested, or my neighbour but one.
I expect this to derail.
Other side of my Malcolm, my chap that just passed away. Nice funeral he had. He had the Royal Lifeboat Association flag over his coffin, because he'd done a lot of work for them.
What's that like in a log, can't it? Right. Forward. Let's see if this will pull it. I suspect all the wagons are going to fall off because of the track all over the place. But we'll see.
I think Know Your Trains comes to mind. Anyway, put it all back on. I must say they really look small outside, don't they? Really small, even 00. Anyway, did we get a run up here? Wonderful, everybody behaved themselves. My neighbour went out and I got a feeling he walked on the track. You watch the track lift up. There we are. Up. No harm done. So I then reduced it to just to the tankers here. The Cura scale ones these are. Was fine, and then I don't know what, but if you look at this you can see that the wheels are spinning like mad. Look at them. See the axles going round, and in fact I've lost an axle, but yeah, they're really spinning, so I don't know quite what happened there. So I thought it was a good time to finish with this one. Really struggling, isn't it? So I got the old Flying Scotsman out. Or rather the new Flying Scotsman, really, isn't it? Any more joy with this? I didn't get much film of this. That probably tells you something. So Flying Scotsman was pretty good, the engine. I'd run it solo and it was fine. It was the last Pullman carriage on this one that sort of scoped. This would have been a beautiful bit of film if I'd have flaming got the thing in focus, but I thought I'd put it in because I didn't have much film to show you. But I've got some of those old things, and then Flying Scotsman did a whoopsie. So I'll just give you a run round to the whole layout. But again, it's not all in one bit. You'll see where I had to stop it and sort it out. This was being pushed by the Hattons. 66. It's a new bit of track there, look. Oh dear, I think we had a whoopsie there. Nice brooms. I used them today. I've done the grass. It was really high. Finally did it. I've been routine. Now, is that going to derail it? No, it didn't. Weird, isn't it? But something did there. And then we didn't get much further. There you are. You just see it? Oh dear. Up. 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 Oh dear. Anyway, I just thought I'd stick this last bit in because this bit worked, didn't it? And it's certainly impressive seeing it coming up the hill. I hope you've enjoyed this, and let me know what you think in the comments. I think if I made it, didn't try and be so greedy with the size of the track, I'll probably get it a little bit better maybe. Cheers everybody, thanks for watching. Normal services will be resumed whenever the next one comes up, whenever I get it done. Cheers.